Continue with Cella, and these to me are laundry baskets, and they are the set of two. They have a drawstring closure at the top, which is Bananarama, so you actually can close them at the top. Super cool. For every single person who's at a dorm and has to lug their laundry from the 3rd floor of the dorm down to the basement where the washer and dryer, could we please have a basket like this? I think I actually lugged my clothes in garbage bags.
Did you? So many kids do.
Because I'm 10. I mean, I was in college and I was like, I don't have any bag. Where's a garbage bag? And I literally took my clothes downstairs to the laundry in a garbage bag. $29 for 2 of them. So each one of these huge, and I'll share with you, 20 inches tall, 18 inches in diameter, okay? Just in case you're wondering. Holding, how many pounds?
20 pounds.
What?
20 pounds of clothes. So think about this. I love that we are giving you that Oxford canvas. That's how we give you that added stability, that durability, easy to keep clean. This is that gorgeous blue sky stripe, but we also give you that steel frame on the top ring as well as the bottom ring is 20 inches in height and 18-inch diameter. That drawstring is optional. So if you want to tuck this cover in and just use it as an open basket, you absolutely can. But I love that we give you the option to go ahead and seal it up so that if it is the college kid that's coming home and they just need help doing their laundry, this is easy. If it is putting all of your dirty clothes in there for the hamper, you can do that as well.
So you just mentioned this is our blue sky stripe. We've got other colors as well. And then down front, we actually have the cream linen and then also the glacier gray. Now remember, you're getting a set of 2. We're just showing you one to show you the colors. Here's the other thing about the drawstring top is that you've actually got it even. I would use the drawstring top because I have stuff that I'm still loading up to here. Right, as I'm still, so I drawstring as much as I can, but it's still kind of loaded. $9.67 to get the set of 2 coming home to you. We're saying, of course, laundry, but other uses as well.
Other uses. I mean, keep it in the kids' room for their toys, for their extra stuffies and things like that. It's the toys, right? Because those are the things that if you don't give the kids somewhere to kind of hide everything away, they'll never be cleaned up. Give them a bin and then play that game, which is what we used to do with our boys all the time. Yes, absolutely. Clean up, pick up, put away. And they loved it. And they'd sing the song. Yes, they'd sing the song. They'd put everything in the bin. And it just made life, exactly. It just made it so much fun. But most importantly, we weren't stepping over things. We weren't twisting our ankles because we gave everything at home. Likewise with your dirty clothes as well. Whether they're clean, they're dirty. This could be your clean clothes hamper where you're taking it from room to room to distribute the clothes, but also likewise the dirty clothes hamper because we give you that easy protection on the inside.
Oh, got it. On the inside,
Yeah, so if there's anything dirty that gets in here, you just wipe it with some warm soapy water, but I do like your idea, the set of 2, one for clean, one for dirty.
Or one for whites and one for darks in terms of your clothing or whatever. I love that you get 2 of them. Super lightweight when they're empty. Can I ask, how do they come? Do they come collapsed and you accordion them? Or
Exactly. They will come fully collapsed and they're simply just squashed down. And they'll arrive just like this. But you hear the stiffness in that fabric.
What is this made of?
That is an Oxford canvas. So you get the durability of the exterior with the Oxford canvas. And on the inside, I want to show you this because while we have this here, you can actually see on the inside, it almost has a sheen to it. That is that protectant layer that we put on the inside for wiping it nice and clean. Do you see that?
Yeah, you can see. But also, you can see how it looks like linen. So all of these look like linen, have a look of linen, but have the durability that you're seeing. You can hear it, how it crinkles or whatever. You can hear that as well. 3 easy payments of $9.67. That means each one of these is less than 15 bucks. But think about this. If you come with me, like, okay, somebody has a dorm room and they have these 2 bags. We're just going to pretend, like by their desk or whatever in their room. You're not going to say, oh, is that where you keep your laundry? Because it's going to be covered and it'll be pretty. They'll just cinch it up. They won't see that. You just see 2 cool looking bags. And that's like a better look. Sorry, I did that sloppily.
But it's also uber chic. I mean, to have something like this in your corner, even if it's in the family room, if you have a movie space where everyone kind of congregates, which means you have a lot of blankets in that space. Put all the blankets in there. Here. And then rather than having all the colors or the labels or the logos showing, because it's very confusing and it's very distracting to the eye.
Yeah.
Cinch them in this, and then all you see is that gorgeous color or detail on the outside.
It's nice. Also, they're really nice. They're easy to pick up, right? They're really easy.
Right, because we give you those helper handles, one on each side, and you can actually see that double stitching that you get around on the handle. So that way it gives you, again, that structure, that stability that you need in order to carry each one of these, because you have to remember this holds 20 pounds.
20 pounds.
Yeah, that's a lot of weight. So for you to be able to carry this upstairs, downstairs, from the laundry room to the bedrooms or wherever, or back and forth, it makes it easy. The kids to take this, lugging it up and down the steps from their dorm room to the car, to your house, or to the laundromat, or down to wherever they go to do their laundry.
I love that it's also collapsible, right? So when you're using it, boom. When you're not using it, collapse them if you want to. Or you know what? Maybe right now in your mind, you're like, I know how I could use one, but I'm not sure how I could use two. Get them home. Put these in your cart, check out, and you'll realize, oh, that's how I'm going to use the second one. Right. Whether it's going to be for like linen that you have, right, for a linen closet, the toys, have the, you've got grandkids who are coming over, they've got lots of stuffed animals, but then they've got Legos, and then they've also got, you know, trucks or whatever. Put that all in here. You don't have to see all that. So that's the stripe, the glacier blue stripe. Down front is that linen, super sophisticated. If you're doing that country chic, you know, maybe that's the vacation home.
Right.
And this is where people are going to kick their swimsuits or their towels, the wet towels that they've done, or their snorkeling gear, or their flip-flops, or whatever. Just throw them in there. And then here's that gray.
Yeah, the gray is super, super chic. Very masculine, so it's great for the men.
The men. Oh,
love it in a nice masculine studio apartment. But here's what else I love is, you've already said it, all the wet items, put them in here. So it's the beach towels, the flip-flops, all the things. Because again, remember, Oxford canvas, easy to keep clean on the outside, and then that protectant layer on the inside.
Try it. It's less than 15 bucks a piece. Try it. See if it works for you. It's 3 easy payments of $9.67. Put it in your cart and check out. Blue Sky Stripe is going pretty fast.
Beautiful.
That's the most popular, and lots of folks are picking up more than one. I also think that if you happen to be caring for your elderly, or you're organizing their homes, or trashing and trying to get rid of, do that. Are we going this way? Or are we going this way? We're going that way.
Oh, we're going over here.
Oh, we're going over here. In the meantime, though, coming